Deploying Windows 2022 server virtual machine for RDS firm. Deploy to server. We need to deploy to server. Go to templates. We are building it from the templates. New virtual machine. So it's a RDS application server. Next. Thin provisioning. Customize, power on. Next. Generate the SID. 2 GB is enough. I'll remove this one, not needed. Next. Finish. As I said, we need to create another one, new virtual machine from this template. Take the similar name, win22 apps 02. Next. The data store, thin provision. Just 2 is fine. And remove this one, CD drive. Next, finish. To understand which server we will pick up for the instant, we can just rename it. Of course, the original host name will not going to change, so that's fine. We are going to use this for instant clone. Okay, and this would be our full or manual. Okay, rename. Let's say manual. So this is our, okay, full is fine. So again, for the verification purpose, I can log into my domain controller, where it is, this one. Open. We have 2 servers and both got registered with the domain controller and good to go with the next video.